Hi, today I'm making taco spaghetti. So this was a great recipe. It actually has a half a cup of white onion, a quarter cup of chopped bell pepper, a half a cup of cilantro, 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I use about a half a box of just regular spaghetti, as well as a can of Rotella tomatoes with the mild chilies, 2 garlic cloves, a package of taco seasoning, as well as sharp cheddar cheese to your taste. So you can use as much as you like or as little as you like. Now, I added a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, Lawry's seasoned salt, and onion powder to the seasonings just because it sort of brightens the flavors a little bit. Again, I have the 2 cloves of garlic, black pepper that I'm adding, and then all of those ingredients are going to be combined into the ground beef. And we're going to cook those all together. We're also going to prepare our water. And if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen that I add salt and olive oil to the water. You can drain your hamburger at this point and then actually return it to the pan and add the taco seasoning mix and a cup and a half of water along with the Rotel chilies. I think I said Rotella earlier, it's Rotel. And then you're going to just let that simmer. So you let that simmer for about 20-25 minutes while the noodles are cooking. And you're going to, at that point, combine the noodles, the drained spaghetti noodles back into to the sauce. Once you've mixed it well, you top it with the cilantro. You add the sharp cheddar cheese, and it's ready to serve. This is a nice variation on the regular spaghetti we have when we put it together. Taco spaghetti is actually very flavorful. This recipe feeds about 6 people and makes great leftovers.